Windows Media Player not working? Facing errors or playback issues in Windows 11? Let's fix it step by step. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. Locate the problematic app and click the three dots next to it. Select Advanced Options. Click on Repair first. If that doesn't work, click on Reset. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. Find the app, click the three dots, and select Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type the name of the app you just uninstalled. Click on the app name in the search results. Finally, click Get to download and reinstall the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.